previous lecture videos, we have discussed about the refrigeration and refrigeration cycle and the components of refrigeration system, vapor absorption system we have discussed, vapor compression system we have discussed. So where it is applied we have discussed. So everything we have discussed. In today's topic we are going to discuss about the designing based refrigeration systems. Okay, designing based case study on refrigeration systems. So what is design thinking? What are the 5 stages? Empathy is the first stage. Okay. Empathy, ideate, define, which is correct. Empathy, define, ideate, and then prototype. Yes. So these are the 5 stages. So what is the first stage is empathy. So now my question is, before going to this topic, in the existing domestic refrigerators, what is the empathy part we can find? What is the existing problem in the it has more energy. Okay. Energy consumption is more. Okay. Why energy consumption is more? Because okay, you are telling that the compression work is done. Okay. Any other things? You are told that work done is more, energy is more, and then is it possible of controlling the refrigeration system? Can you see the temperatures? What is the temperature maintained? So in the existing refrigeration systems, you can increase the level, but you don't know what is the temperature inside like that here. So there are many empathy parts. In our houses, we need a frequent air supply. Okay, because in our houses, we can see that the refrigerator has to be kept in a place where air should be circulated around the refrigerator. Then only by convection process heat will be absorbed. Because the condenser, what happens? Heat has to be rejected. So air is the only medium to take away the heat. So that we need proper circulation of air inside that particular room. If there is no air circulation, what happens? The condensation will not take place properly. So if the condensation is not taking place properly, what happens? The heat from the evaporator will not be absorbed properly. So when heat is not absorbed, what happens? But the refrigerator will be running on, but the cooling takes place very slowly. Then work done will be more. Then lot of energy is utilized. So as the energy utilized is more, but the heating refrigerating effect is very less, what happens to the COP? So the COP becomes lesser. Okay. So this is the main empathy part in the refrigerators. So how to overcome this? Okay. So as the revolution is going, Industry 4.0 and nowadays IoT is playing a vital role in our day-to-day life. So we are implementing this IoT, Industry 4.0 IoT applications in the refrigeration systems. Okay, to solve this problem, to increase the coefficient of performance. Okay, what is the second stage in the design thinking? Ideate and define. These are the second and third consecutively they are going. So what is the define is, there are a lot of problems in the refrigeration. But what we are taking is, we are making the energy efficient refrigerators. So how to make it as energy efficient? So for that we are going for an ideate, that is we are using the IoT as a technology. IoT technology. See now here, first thing is temperatures. Second one is cooling level, actual fixed cycles. Okay. So these are the data which is required in the refrigerator. Okay. Now coming here, this is a normal refrigerator. Okay. So by using the IoT technologies, we are grasping all by using the sensors. We are analyzing the temperature of the particular room and particular this refrigerators, and these sensors are coupled with this IoT. With the help of the sensors, all the communications is done. Okay, and all the data can be made to an mobile phones by using an software. Okay, and also this data can be stored here. Okay, so now without wherever you are there, we can see the operation of this particular refrigerant, this smart refrigerant, with the help of this IoT enabled system. So all the data can be seen. So we can see the temperature. If suppose the room temperature is very high, then what happens when the condensation process takes place properly? No. So we can see the room temperature. If the room temperature is high, what happens? We can make an alternative arrangement to make some air supply by opening the windows like that. So how we can sense? So whenever when there is an increase in the temperature, room temperature, so we can know that cooling will not take place properly. So like this data is synchronized and then we can go through. So this is one of the IoT, one of the solution where the normal refrigerators are used with the help of is converted into smart refrigerators. Okay. So when we are using smart refrigerators, what happens? The cooling level and the temperature, everything are